old Sausalito on Richardson's Bay. Treasures and secrets you'll find here today. Fairy tale people of legend and lore live in the boats that sprinkle the shore. And it's row, row, bullies, row. This little willow has got us in tow. Otis sat here and wrote Dock of the Bay. Varda, he danced with Nijinsky's ballet. Kerouac and Watts on Vallejo they stayed. Hayden on Pirate, on the Ark Red Legs played. And it's row, row, bullies, row. Those waterfront heroes have got us in tow. In the World War II shipyard, history lives. Great things accomplished, magic it is. Gate 5 to Napa, cranes to the docks. 70,000 work round the clock. And it's row, row, bullies, row. Those Liberty ships, they have got us in tow. Now the shipyards and boat shops still humming today, keeping alive our traditional ways. Restoring old Frida, steaming oak ribs. Hardhass and Spaulding gave what they could give. And it's row, row, bullies, row. Those handsome young shipwrights have got us in tow. The ship Matthew Turner, a fair brigantine, launched in the shipyard 2017. Built of wood with eyes, hands, and hearts, the Prius of tall ships will give youth a start. And it's row, row, bullies, row. The sweet Matthew Turner has got us in tow. At Galilee Harbor a battle was won. When they tore down Bob's boatyard it seemed they were done. But the Galilee crew are a fierce fighting breed, and when the smoke cleared their cove had been freed. And it's row, row, bullies, row. Those Galilee pirates have got us in tow. From the 1940s artillery barge, you can see Annie's Island, it's not a mirage. Seems that one weekend the council was gone, Cass ran his dredge, a marina was born. And it's row, row, bullies, row. The queen of the fleet, she has got us in tow. Now it's on to the fancy, exotic and fair. Classic bright woodies abound everywhere. There are bird boats and bear boats and clippers and tugs. Monterey's dories all stuck in the mud. And it's row, row, row. Those sweet varnished bunnies have got us in tow.